Think aluminum is more sustainable than steel? Think again. A recent study examined life cycle greenhouse gas emissions for light-duty trucks and SUVs. This comprehensive study analyzed 5,000 unique vehicle production and use scenarios. Results show in about 70% of the cases, advanced high-strength steel-intensive vehicles have lower life cycle greenhouse gas emissions than aluminum-intensive vehicles. For a fleet of 700,000 trucks, this means an advanced high-strength steel-intensive design saves approximately 3.64 million metric tons of CO2 over an aluminum-intensive design. That's a huge difference and a major advantage for steel. But why? Compared to steel, greenhouse gas emissions from making aluminum are significant and at least 4 times greater, even when the aluminum is produced using mostly hydropower. And substantially higher when aluminum is produced using fossil fuel-sourced power, such as coal or natural gas. At the end of a vehicle's life, steel still beats aluminum. Its physical properties allow products to be continuously recycled into steel products without loss of quality, saving vital resources for future generations. In contrast, aluminum is recycled to the same grade or downcycled to a lower quality product. As automakers include lightweighting as a significant component of their strategy to meet increasingly stringent fuel economy and greenhouse gas regulations, it becomes critical to look beyond the tailpipe and instead consider the full life cycle emissions of vehicles, specifically the emissions from materials production. The study shows when scaled to an entire annual fleet of sedans, SUVs, or pickup trucks, the conversion to an aluminum-intensive option versus advanced high-strength steel results in a net increase in greenhouse gas emissions of about 1.5 million metric tons for each vehicle class. That's equivalent to the emissions that would result from driving an average passenger car 3.6 billion miles, or the consumption of 168 million gallons of gasoline. Automakers and consumers must choose wisely. Advanced high-strength steel remains the best material for cars, trucks, and SUVs.